Business success is about assembling the right team. It's the businesses behind the business that makes it all possible. When you think about businesses growing their sales beyond forecasts like Momofuku, or even a legacy business like Mattel, sure, you think about a product with demand, a focused brand, and influence-driven marketing, but a big component is the business behind the business, making selling and for shoppers, buying simple. For millions of businesses, that business is Shopify. Shopify is home of the #1 checkout on the planet, and the not-so-secret Shop Pay boosts conversions up to 50%, meaning way less carts going abandoned and way more sales going. Nobody does selling better than Shopify. So if you're into growing your business, your commerce platform better be ready to sell wherever your customers are scrolling or strolling on the web, in your store, in their feed, and everywhere in between. Businesses that sell more sell on Shopify. Upgrade your business and get the same checkout Momofuku uses. Sign up for your $1 per month trial period at shopify.com/DCR, all lowercase. Go to shopify.com/DCR to upgrade your selling today. That's shopify.com/DCR. There's a growing expense eating into your company's profits, your cloud computing bill. What if you could cut your cloud bill in half and improve performance? Well, if you act by May 31st, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure can help you do just that. OCI is the next generation cloud designed for every workload, where you can run any application or AI project faster and more securely for less. This half-off offer is only for new U.S. customers with a minimum financial commitment. See if you qualify at oracle.com/DCR. It's 8 a.m. Eastern, April 20th, and this is your daily crypto report. Bitcoin is down slightly at $84,131. ETH is down slightly at $1,572. XRP is down slightly at $2.04. Charles Schwab CEO Rick Wurster said the firm is likely to roll out spot crypto trading within 12 months, citing a shifting U.S. regulatory landscape. On a recent earnings call, he noted rising client interest, with one Schwab crypto site seeing a 400% spike in traffic, 70% from prospects. Schwab posted a 40% jump in quarterly profits and sees crypto as an increasingly essential offering. The firm already backed EDX Markets, a crypto exchange also supported by Citadel and Fidelity, which just partnered with BitGo. Well, the Bank for International Settlements released a report calling for stronger regulation and a containment strategy to manage crypto risks as crypto and traditional finance grow more connected. The paper argues DeFi's integration into traditional finance poses systemic risks and recommends applying similar rules like KYC disclosures and professional standards to crypto operators. It warns that crypto's transparency doesn't eliminate issues like scams or risky behavior due to anonymous participation. The report sparked strong backlash. CoinFund president Christopher Perkins called the recommendations completely uninformed and, frankly, dangerous, arguing they could increase systemic risk. He defended DeFi's open source transparency as superior to traditional finance's opacity, while Trump's official Solana-based meme coin jumped 8% after 40 million tokens unlocked Thursday, increasing the circulating supply by 20%. Despite expectations of a price dip from selling pressure, the meme coin rallied. The unlock involved tokens held by the creators and CIC Digital LLC, where Trump is listed as president. The token hit an all-time high of $71 in January and is framed as a symbol of support, not an investment. Critics have flagged Trump's promotion of the meme coin before taking office, with watchdogs calling for investigations. CIC reportedly earned nearly $100 million in trading fees, and Trump's crypto involvement is now affecting policy debates on stablecoin regulation. And finally, a new Aptos proposal, AIP 119, would cut staking rewards from 7% to 3.8% over 3 months to push users toward more active, risk-based, on-chain activities like restaking MEV and DePIN projects. The proposal aims to shift focus from passive staking to more ecosystem engagement. Aptos staking yields are currently higher than Ethereum's 3%, but lower than Cosmos's 15%. The authors admit the cut could hurt small validators and suggest solutions like a delegation program modeled after Solana's to keep them afloat. The plan echoes Solana's recently rejected SIMD 228 proposal to dynamically adjust inflation. Critics have both warned lower rewards could reduce decentralization by squeezing out small operators. The Aptos community has 4 weeks to give feedback before the vote. Early sentiment appears mostly supportive. That's all for us today. Visit us at dailycryptoreport.io and listen to us everywhere else you podcast under Daily Crypto Report.
That finale of The Bachelor was ridiculous.
Lest we forget this past season of Love is Blind.
I know.
At least there's always Sex in the City to keep us warm and fuzzy at night.
Always. Watching it back 25 years later has been the best.
Why are we so obsessed with watching people fall in love on TV?
Every week on our podcast, Two Black Girls, One Rose, we break down your favorite TV shows centering modern dating, love, and relationships.
Come ready to unpack the mess and have a laugh with us. I'm Justine.
And I'm Natasha.
See you every week on all podcast platforms.
If you're feeling overwhelmed by the news cycle, you are not alone. I'm Emma Varvaloucas, and along with Progress Network founder Zachary Karabell, I host What Could Go Right, a podcast that looks beyond the headlines to uncover progress happening in the world, even in difficult times. Each week, we sit down with experts to discuss today's biggest challenges, without ignoring the hard stuff. We bring nuance, insight, and a forward-looking perspective to help make sense of the current moment. Fight the urge to doom scroll. Tune in to What Could Go Right instead, wherever you get your podcasts.